Connect the water tester to power. Connect the printer and data cable. Insert the air hose, make sure it's plugged in tightly. Turn on the switch. Tear off the protective tape. Click Quick Test. There are 3 test programs: Jewelry, Standard, and Diving. The Jewelry mode tests thin glass and the watch case is relatively fragile. Standard mode tests watches with light waterproof level, such as T-seat, middle, and longines. Diving mode tests diving level watches. The test accuracy is divided into high, medium, and low. Choose high precision test. 90% of the watches will not pass. Medium precision test is normal test. Choose this accuracy for normal accuracy test. The low precision test is very easy to pass. Place the watch, making sure the glass has no film, and place it in the middle and balance on the platform. If the watch cannot be placed evenly, you can use auxiliary gaskets. After placing the watch, select the corresponding test program. Click Start and enter the test page. Click Start Test again. The machine automatically executes the test program. The first stage is negative pressure test. To simulate the watch in a vacuum state, the green line represents the displacement change of the watch glass. It displays pressure and displacement data in real time. Normally, the test line is gentle and small displacement changes, and the watch passes the test easily. The second stage is positive pressure test. By observing the test curve and displacement changes, to judge whether the watch is waterproof. The test is completed. The watch passed the test. The machine automatically opens the lid. Click the Print button to print the test results. Click Standard program. There are many test programs to choose from. Select the corresponding test program according to the watch. The leak point can be detected by leak test. After the test, put the watch into water immediately to observe the leak point. It is recommended to test the empty case and the lead force. The custom program can set the test pressure, test time, and test accuracy. Click the screen to resume use. System settings can set voice, light brightness, etc. Long press calibration. The machine calibrates automatically.